What if I told you there is a smartphone that gives you a flagship design, strong cameras, and smooth performances, and premium features, but without a flagship price? Today, we are reviewing the Tecno Camon 50 Pro, and this phone is trying to dominate the mid range market in Ghana and beyond. Is this the best mid range phone to buy right now, or is it just a hype? In the box, Tecno usually gives us more than most brands. And yes, they didn't disappoint. In the box, you will find the Camon 15 Pro, fast charger, USB cable, transparent case, SIM ejector tools, documentation, and yes, they still include a charger, unlike certain brands. I want Now let's talk about the design because this phone looks more expensive. The Camon 50 Pro comes with slim profile, matte glass like backfish, stylish camera model, flat edges, modern look. From a distance, this phone looks like a flagship design. It feels premium in hand, not cheap plastic. Key highlights: lightweight, comfortable grip, solid button feedback, beautiful color option. This is where things start getting interesting. You will get large AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, full HD resolution, slim bezels. Scrolling on this phone feels very smooth. Watching YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, everything looks sharp and vibrant. Uh, Outdoor visibility is good, even in Ghana sunlight. If you love content consumption, this display will not disappoint you. Under the hood, the Camon 50 Pro is powered by a mid-range chipset, a MediaTek series. Now here is the truth. This is not a gaming beast like a flagship, but for WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, banking app, light gaming. It runs very smoothly. Multitasking is good thanks to 8 gigabytes and 12 gigabyte RAM option. RAM expansion feature. For the average users, more than enough. For heavy gamers, you may want something more powerful. In this phone, you can play games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, Asphalt, run smoothly on medium settings. You won't get ultra graphics at 120 FPS, but it's stable. Normal serious overheating, no lag spikes during normal play. For casual gaming, you are safe. Now, this is where the Camon series usually shines. The Camon lineup is known for cameras. This Pro version continues that tradition. High megapixels main sensor and AI enhancements, night mode, portrait mode, daylight photos, very sharp, good color balance, nice skin tones, night photos, decent, not flagship level, but impressive for price. Techno always focus on selfies, especially for African skin tones. The front camera is detailed, bright, social media ready. If you love taking selfies or recording TikTok videos, this phone is made for you. So if you want to use this phone to record content, you will get this features. It has 1080p stabilization and support, clear audio capture. It's not cinematic like expensive phones, but for YouTube beginners and TikTok creators, it's more than fun. If you are starting content creation, this phone can do the job. And this phone has a battery capacity. You can expect full day heavy use, 1.5 day moderate use, and the fast charging is actually fast, from low to decent percentage under an hour. No battery anxiety here. This Tecno Camon 50 Pro has stereo speakers if available, fingerprint sensor, face unlock, Android latest version with a HIOS. Software experience is smooth, but expect some pre-installed apps. ADS in the certain areas can be turned off. Now, the most important question is it worth money? For its price category, yes, you are getting beautiful design, smooth display, good cameras, and solid battery, decent performance. If you are upgrading from older Tecno, Itel, Infinix, 3 to 4 year old Samsung, this will feel like a massive upgrade. Let's be honest, not for heavy gamers, not a flagship processor, some software ADS, but at this price, it's acceptable. So this is my final verdict for the Camon 50 Pro, built for social media lovers, students, young professionals, content creators starting out, anyone who wants premium looks without price. If you are looking for balance, this is strong option.